Now this question, you were given figure 3, so this is figure 3, okay, and you had the questions that you had to answer by using figure 3. Okay, so all these molecules here, they are elements. Why they are elements? Because they cannot be broken down into anything simpler. If you look at hydrogen here, if you break it down, you will still get hydrogen. Oxygen, you break it down, you will still get oxygen. Chlorine, you break it down, you will still get chlorine. Ozone, you break it down, you will still get oxygen. And sulfur, you break down all the bonds between them, you will still get sulfur. Okay, so they are all elements. Now, some of these elements exist as atoms. What are atoms? Atoms, they are the smallest particles, right? So which of these elements are made up of only one particle, one atom? So that's helium. It has only one atom. It's not bonded to anything else, so it exists as atom. So then I would answer this as helium. Okay. Right, so the next question is identify the elements that exist as molecules. What are molecules? Molecules are particles that are formed when there's two or more elements combined together. So in the diagram, where can you see elements where atoms are combined together? So that's one, the atoms are combined. Oxygen, the atoms are combined. Chlorine, they are combined. Here, ozone, they are combined. And sulfur, they are all combined together. So then you'll have to answer. So these are the elements that exist as molecules. So hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, ozone, and sulfur. They exist combined together. The atoms are combined together. While helium, poor helium, he's all alone. When they are all alone, they are referred to as atoms. Now, what do you think the numbers in the subscript in the molecules mean? So let's see, hydrogen. So if we look at hydrogen, you see the numbers at the bottom. So there's 2 here. And if you look at the molecule, there's one hydrogen and there's another hydrogen. So there's 2 hydrogens combining together. That's why we write the 2 at the bottom. Oxygen, there's 1 here and 1 here. So that's why we're writing the 2 at the bottom here. Chlorine, there's 2, so we write the 2 at the bottom. Sulfur, if we count, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why we write it as S8. The number 8 is as a subscript, always as a subscript. If you write S8 like this is wrong. If you write S8 like this is wrong. And if you write 8S, this is wrong as well. Only when it is written as a subscript does it mean that there is this number of sulfur in the molecule. Okay, so here we're talking about the molecule. So ozone, if you write O3 here, means that all the 3 oxygen are combined together. Okay, now if I'm writing 3O, what does 3O mean? 3O means there is 3 oxygen atoms that are not combined. Okay, if I write, let's say 3H, means that there is 3 hydrogen atoms that are not combined, that exist on their own. But if I write H2, well, H3 does not exist, this does not exist. We'll see the reasons afterwards. But if I'm writing H2, means that H and H are combined together. So there is a bond between the H and the other H. Means that there's kind of a glue together. So if I have to show it, we're using the models that I have. So H. So if I have to draw like 2H would be this. H. They are not bonded, they exist all alone, roaming around. Okay, but if I'm saying H2, H2 means that now they're going to be bonded. So H2 is this. H and H bonded to each other. Okay, so make sure you go back on your work, correct anything that you got wrong, and make notes in your copybook about the misunderstandings that you had. Okay, so what do the numbers mean? So the numbers tell you how many particles bond together in that molecule. Okay, so it shows the number of atoms that there are in the molecule. So that's the answer. These are all the answers. Right, get that right in your copybook. Thank you.